McBrown's Kitchen. Adriani Petto. McBrown's Kitchen. Brina so. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share.
McBrown's Kitchen ebusiafo aduane pa ede ane ene ye ba be no aduane wadaroma mesra se ne so ye be hear the special ingredients your personality or they be kan aduane ho enu nti enko ba bia because already one say kokko wa ha ye be kokko ho adwuma one vegetables wa ha ye be di vegetables and at least endam kakra so simanim mi gina janwe die ye be aduane enu nti ebesua bibi eneso high sense ada romantic mitimi nya kokodro edijumede kese brew sana meda kasapreko awake purified drinking water for ase se omuso ema misio enom yede bi didie no muso adwene Ghana for ho eyo mommoa yede o mase royal aroma fortified rice enie me bacho ewo market obia ope emu bia no also bia be remu bia obehu royal aroma fortified rice obehu me that tasty Thomas say and toast we dear eye ede tasty Tomo bia wa bekodwa so bia kai na man toast na no bi na me pe esansa ho di nro wo mu gorgeous olive oil ye anwa ewo dwaso ewo wiase fa na nyina international brand yes enu ntino olive oil papa de enu ane gorgeous olive oil anwodin wo mu pa eyema obia all age eneno delay mackerel, delay sardine, delay spaghetti. Yedamwasi bebre. Efia da Ghana fo nyina se. Launcher kitchen. And I me jade fe ya. And empress me babe no aduane foforo wo mu yin. And the launcher nyami shramo. Hwe nchansi unse fe pa. Hwe na kese. Hwe Come. Royal for nchansi. Royal Kitchen Well Official Ghana. And your friend on Instagram. Yedomase. Me pa chopi. And so fun ice. So nice. Nice. And the name dada. And until say double. Me can double penance. So benya double flavors in a pack. Into no fun ice. So nice ya dam wase. I was your empress in ye. Me train you am digina jade come. Me pa chow. I have bo life for kitchen. What? Bo life for kitchen. Bo life. I'm not lying. Unkwa kitchen. We jina we didi. So do baby look sexy for your kitchen. For yourself and the food. Uwie na wotena na wodi dia wa feel good be. And no na ma feel so wodi di or restaurant. Ye hu asiesie no ne ha e be lay no ye duane e be di no. E ma feel say who give yourself a treat. And until J and I am tea amame. J and I am tea amame. J looks on Instagram. Aligina makeover and I am a new year empress. Mete shining. Her excellency for you, me da say. Mami try me home bra. Me ba McBrown's Kitchen. Eduane pa. Ed. You're used to high sense TV, no? Onim say aye papa. I need a hot clear. It is open for hotels, schools, and abibia. High sense or TV size baby. Say footballer, you person feel it say who stadium war. And a senior, you person feel it say who shemubi. High sense person show programs in now TV papa paso. Say dear High sense laser TV. Obi baby say laser no cry daddy. High sense laser TV. Aye classic. Pictures near pure. Me just say any clear. Okasan Hoswa. Obejoso. High sense laser TV. You 80-inch. Akopem 150-inch. About down say bagaya. Fe. Won't show high sense TV manin say weni. Dear boy, a 100-inch. Pictures no see a 4K resolution. And see your toe, a real bow. High sense laser TV. And he say, come. Woman, you be at high sense showrooms and what Ghana for any name. High sense, everyday prices for everyday people.
2351251.
My husband deserves the best jollof.
Yay!
And so do my kids. Not necessary, dear. Because for the first time in Ghana, we have the new Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. This has all the pepper, onion, thyme, curry powder, ginger, garlic, and tomatoes I need to cook my tasty jollof with no stress at all. All I do is pour my oil, add Tasty Tom Jollof Mix, fry for 4 minutes, and add water, some cube and salt, and finally rice. And my tasty jollof is ready in only 45 minutes.
So tasty.
New Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. Remember to wash your hands regularly. Stay home and eat healthy.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Royal Aroma and Mofo Frana Banukrania Nibi to say iron, vitamin B3, B6, B9, B12, and a zinc. So, ro and mono predodo Saint Crana one noir, and Modian in Rono and Frimo. Yeah! And we drew. What the bag no kohine?
Debbie met to me, Amaso, medical German number 4.
New Royal Aroma Fortified Rice. Ayemawu anywhere busia. FDA aji ejadie nkrato atum.
McBrown's Kitchen, Adriani Peto.
McBrown's Kitchen ebusiafo Adriani pa ede sanetie. Yema DJ mo enwomo ho. Na me fa frame nua bema. Wono so waye adwuma ya che. Na ogusu a woye. Enne me watene ha. O se impress me ba. Ma be bo aduane. You know, so the gentleman, and you want penny oh. Wow, Fee. Then quiet, Brian perform me, bra. Then perform me.
And then say, I'm see.
Okay.
Me say me got to moon, I'm say. Ya kwa mi kodi ya ba me ba. Na menya se kan dia ma konta. Just ya mo di show bile. Ti ye juma de na ma di pe. And then my matters will make him. And sanu na gram me mo ni bi.
Friday back me.
Ma choke. You never them back me na ma. One corner. One corner. So see na ya.
Thank you. Fiifi.
Oh.
Now what to say?
I don't even cry.
Fiifi, I'm 360.
So,
wow.
My name is simple.
You look so simple.
Yes.
And clean.
Thank you.
And so gentle.
Thank you.
Every day, Fiifi. Fiifi Coleman, Ghana. Our gentleman. Well, I love this.
Thank you.
Is it real?
And you're real.
And you're real.
Yes.
And because that's how I like.
Yes.
Come on, I don't slow pain and I'm not talking for for movie.
And for
and for life.
For me, and me add on.
Oh, okay. And to Jaya now.
I check a crab 2 weeks no. Ne jam ho but now you can come but me share me test market na hwe say to say.
Sabia Ghana for any bedroom.
Na we na tell you the whole senior count.
But it looks so nice.
Thank you very much.
And you're real. It's really nice.
Thank you very much.
Fiifi McBrown's Kitchen.
Thank you.
Wow. And you may order pound.
Hey. Is it since be so?
Until we say family wa bre.
Abre.
No nim say the Fiifi so abre. Fiifi abre.
Obi mo na mane ye.
Fiifi. Fiifi abre. Fiifi si wache.
Ache.
Fiifi Coleman.
Ache.
Fiifi ma me ho me nsa.
Mate.
Me ho me nsa wie pe na so aba. E ja don sa sha ase a. Ebe ba. Sa. Ebe ba. Ebusuafo ye gosoa, egusua etufu say. Ye nyina e kojade a ye ho ye nsa. Ansa na ya ye eduane. Ane. Fiifi. So simple. And the weduane I see more vegetables, cocoa and all that. What I remember from my man. There are my man. Ye bedi cocoa and din.
Any vegetable stew, ne.
Cocoa and vegetable stew.
You can't tell me they are choke. Nana me be yamo and casano. That may show one can be having a cat.
Sad and a cabin.
I want my cow.
A cow. Oh, yeah. It's one of my favorite. And my men brought from my cow.
My phone knew.
Oh, I can't remember me around now. Quite as so, Debbie, I'm quite as so you and him say, and Intina,
I can maybe walk out now. I may be work out when I'm a shasho or be a me fee, but I'm saying to me, you are baby. I was in a quadruple market to cry.
But in kitchen women.
So, next time I make.
Next time I be okay. Fee. Over here, cocoa and vegetable stew.
Yes.
The share ingredients here. Basically, a vegetable and a cocoa. But me who are you a gizzard anyway.
Yes.
What do you and what makes it special?
What makes it special? I say me small girl nearby, you know. Na pet like I say you say vegetables ye man kwala ne ne kan man indinia de but oboso a na ba be yento kwasisi ya just no be ko vegetable na say me finding new ways
okay
say me dey here aduane a obedi
okay
into me adaptive strategy of cutting bibia bite size and getting just giza nia de ohun nya me can think na me dey friend who di crampa who ni say wa fa bi crampa wo na wo di edi but na protein wo mu dada
who di dia ni nyina wo be ka bibia boma na so be no we
separate e ba there e ne start quite different me no me ye omo a ye ne akokọ na ye hu me hu
okay
me twa ne hu ne sa na me dey so
okay and everything will be cut
in very like bite sizes
getting
oh
gizzard ni nyina sausage ni nyina okay yan share details of ingredients no
yes
gizzard wa ha
your gizzard ye wo chicken sausage. I was very specific with chicken because I really wanted it to be good old salmon.
Yes.
Ja wa beje France for Ghana.
Too much. Hey,
ojanaso. No, na tilapia ni.
Oba won fe no ne salmon. Da bia o market.
Cocoa ne yellow pepper anyway, ginger, garlic, basic, spices are.
Main vegetables as in main where they don't say when we are not constant with
condiments
share
cabbage and me carrots anyway
and then the bell peppers
bell peppers makala say me into who has na what dey fe mama say
and
yes and you did that one what can share
the special thing is say and the band what you try and kitty sabi abofan betumi dey is true Fee and started.
Yes, started.
Yes. Oh, nice. I'm very sure. Yes. Nice. Fiifi Coleman. Within the Obiati and Fantini straight one.
Oh no, ya some no. Fantino kakra or Dawson. Fantino woman who kwapum kakra woman.
And over Saturn, about.
Yeah, because the midi our man blend the mazi because we shut the one.
Okay.
Because mazi best spice
Mama blending or had it. I was blending one other.
Blend mayo blend
okay enti wo ba be blending vegetables ni bi
blend garlic na ginger no be fra preko
okay
na ginger no so do supia o ma azna do na no yenwen kaka ita mama na ya hwe o ma hozen but onye bebre dem de bebre
and I said they offer you bebre
so wo wuji so because me the season you know bobo am
oh okay
me the season
Matters into easy was barbe season
gizzard
okay
me be season gizzard me be so gufo anymore
so we be blending at one say
yes number the who kaka be using kaka
into Fiifi infantine here fan of free
Cape Coast
and I have a tribe baby and I will fantana
oh na ya be kwapem kaka na ya be buri
McBrown's kitchen
if you bru na ya be sin ko Nigeria kaka
Nigeria
na fi ya abakra
over Nigeria kakra adai
papa mama
o papa mama free Nigeria and I Ghana so papa mama papa free
of Cape Coast yes
and now mama no free
me mama efi eburi and Accra yes you have Ghana yes have Ghana
people are confused citizen
I'm very confused me be me fi crisis yes got them like come
very confused
but ya tena hey ya yanko baby ya nti ya giga na tum we am dan am ya Ghana ni ba
there nti Nigeria the one kokra nti ya atesem
to kwane de ho de bia na busuafo na wo mmafie so mi wo fie
sen now ka wo ni mu fie house number wa Nigeria
minim but omo bebre
Lagos
yes omo be fre no mo kaka na
one kwa movie we was that one ko Nigeria ni bi da
man ko Nigeria ni bi
oh
Nigeria be to me wa Nigeria for ba ha ma me no mo ye adwuma wa ha ta no mo ba bebre no but me
pass me opportunity uncle ancestors
Debbie man ko
Kafra.
Akokokra.
Any Yifrim.
But
Yifrim. Because there we Yifrim. We Nigerian. We Nigerian. Any Yifrim. That's when Ghana na Santa.
Yes.
And the United you film. Wow. I would say yeah blending, Tino, Fiifi Coleman. Then over take you over from Mama Mio.
Yes.
And Fantano, a dinner fire.
If I hold him,
Wow. Fiifi Coleman, dear. My name so you're a senior, you may more started time a year.
22 years.
Why would you go and blend? Say yeah, the Banwanam no.
I had been on your best saying Jabi, a good friend in 10 years.
Okay. Intifi Kaya, what's that time bank before Legon?
Before Legon.
Yeah.
And before Legon, say your core teachers training college and so near there.
Okay. All right. So we be Ghana. Accra, Hamebwa.
Yes.
Area bank.
Oh, Nima.
You are Nima boy, okay.
Nima Kakrana, Usukaka.
Okay, Nima Usu.
Yeah.
Chagu. Hey, Fiifi.
What?
Oh, Bayani, Trewa, now you will be a kitchen.
I have two hobbies. Besides, movie, no, two hobbies. Besides, Juma, yeah. The next one you're cooking.
The next one you're cooking?
Yeah.
You love to cook?
I love to do it.
Wow.
It's a love for it. I love to do it.
I love to cook.
I love to do it.
Wow. Into your onions, no? Ooh, these are no idea. You find two at once, no? You wait to try and kitchen. I would say for almost said it. McBrown's kitchen. So, is you know. And you're bad, cry. And I think about to say the whole Vietnam.
Debbie.
Oh, vegetables.
Yes. And because I was also like a mostly fish and a year Inti would be a cahu sana na coffee. What the number what the meat at musu no ye meat exam. You can
what do you mean by Wusia? Oh, you know, man.
Yes.
You're married?
Not currently.
Oh, okay.
Not currently. I have been there before. I have done it before, but not currently. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
But how many kids?
1.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Oba. How many years?
7.
Hey, Fee, why are they?
Yes.
I was here, teacher gizzard no in Ketua. Said the Abaya bed. Nicolau be a bit to me in such a mamma. Yeah, we'll be all right, but fee per so roll and hot one, so that's fine. So they can't catch us on a master, our kitchen. And my mouse, you. And if you know, Castle, what tried your pen? Who could teachers training college?
No, course, for you.
Yes, that's who course secondary way.
The course secondary war, Uquap mine.
Uquap mine. I over to the room.
Okay.
Aye.
The Uquap mine. Uquap mine. A breed me call primary idea where breed, Mamponga can a breed kaka.
Okay.
Lesson call secondary war, a cropon. Uquapiman school. And
I will to us.
And I'm a to us call me. And what back in a year school now, not quite neat. We MINO University in the near Babbitt's nephew. And I want to say, honey, want to meet nephew at Wood University. In general, Opo, teachers training college.
Could be.
Not yet, me a foul.
And I'll call teachers training college. Hey, Fiifi, no, my dear. It looks like.
And now, we now
obey me about kitchen.
Oh, there be there. Yes, sir.
And so I has open here.
Debbie. I'm too heavy. Gives at me a moon show a crown. I be a Menyanchin crunching or Fitano. Ah, Mincasa me to a function with
Debbie.
Not meaning out Nayabuno. Meaning, said you soon. At the 12, you know, sing a yinomono.
So,
you know, Miss Sana, yes, smooth to send baby into music. Say,
best one, I say, wait, so me a cobros. I am our season so coming so fair, no beer.
Season and mammy, so
I am you, Nimina.
You
wow. Until the end, Chinicom, a man season so cack. That's right. Into what teaching school, no? And I bet we are no con year.
Me kon
It was
1990.
school benzo.
SDA Teachers Training College I was Sokore.
Asokore.
Ane.
1997.
95.
95. And now what's that here?
Na mbecha de.
I was here first.
Mecha de wo Obosumase Methodist Primary. I mean, sure, na me fancy and Casacrampo and
Oh,
no, me.
Obosumase.
Yes. Obosumase.
Oh,
And me fi Obosumase na me kwacha de o manfi. Manfi Methodist.
Oh, okay.
Okaka.
And now yeah then.
Before enu nyina no na ye part time wo small GSS be a monochrome tutu. And
there's one several area where
people teach us kakra sa.
Na time now over film no and TV so no and act no.
And na me started with for saying Okwas time was secondary school. Time was secondary school na
Yeah, chicha na wi ho.
Yeah, we can na wi.
Yes,
this year na come sausage
na. Fair no yes sausage.
Yeah. And about me baby I did
Fatu me fa. Aye.
And ye be ye friend saying team beat no more name and kick I don't know so be kai team beat
Minkai.
Okay.
Minkai. But what the minimum asana me adwuma me bem.
Ye team beat no money ade be ye hu LNG any
and on the series.
A series you.
Okay.
Series na chicheche ni bi no.
Aye, na cheni bi.
Ye be ye no bi kakra ye be ye omo by the fireside e bi.
Okay.
Dimbium.
Fiifi abre chef ame.
Babre.
Wow.
Be ye nyina bi na you feel ho.
And now you movies so kakra.
Be ye movies. Then and then we launched into movies. Now I started with actually theater was stage.
Okay.
Stage before na kakra sa. We can say then I say wise men. Say nyansa for na umbe Jesus.
Yes,
when they started Sunday school.
Yes.
Starting from there, we getting kakra sa.
When I introduce you, your first job.
The first job.
Whether stage or movie.
So stage will be a school project, like University of Ghana way. Was the first professional like stage job.
Nice. What you there and San University?
Yes.
Oh yeah, there goes.
Performance.
Arts.
Yes. Performance na me sure say me kwa because abushafo say kwa engineer also kwa odontology. Also me say me concert. It's in a certain a big deal. Na nyesa na no bi anya bi a wo ka. Obi ati asese o sisi ade certain na a big deal pa but yeah koye me you don't have.
Yeah, me do university one can no be na me.
And no ho na e bo fa we we dey huntumi nkofa be for bi abiem. Ene koye.
Enti we jai teacher Juma.
Na me jai teacher Juma.
And now D when ayo. O start to pursue art.
Yes.
Okay.
So let's do something more art. Yeah, we start here. No.
Until you betray that next.
Yeah, I'm just going to cut my vegetables. That's all.
Okay,
me idea we made done in India. Me be done here.
Yeah. Brain film.
My method me couldn't come and fry your pepper.
Okay, I'm frying it. Yeah, blend it.
Yeah, con temper.
Yanko.
And you be any yes.
We yanko need him before need. Intino.
Yanko.
Yana we had the power.
Yellow no.
Yeah, the
and no show you the person.
You will like it. Yes.
So one who show you the.
They say the mouth watery
is sweetens.
Yes, it sweetens.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, you who's you now the candy any. So we can see you. More Jenny. I will say gizzard. Sausage. Obviously sausage. Chicken sausage. Any vegetables. And a cocoa. And the special thing about Fiifi is say, and the only way mo fret me dibi. Emma ne ye kama. Omo enyi nam no free mu. To channel. Oh, you so bro for them bite size.
Yes, bite size. Yes.
Bite size. Nese. Say the way I was sesi to ananyam. Into a blendy way,
Yeah, blendy way.
Okay. Very, very easy. Yanko. That's right. Finito? Insure kaka yanko. Okay.
There we go.
Fiifi minti o kasa te say de oye na yi. O yo girl be lie.
Kasa so dem pe kasa de kasa esa me kasa.
Apa. Na say nyen so be brebi ani. Yes, that's it. You stew na kasa.
Sure our base is covered. That's all.
That's right.
Yes.
Boy just ni say no unya to ni say afebo. Unhwie kura nu ba bia. Eche ansana wa mo sa achewo ni so. Ani. Nti ye stew no ye be ye chance papa bi royal. Esi jaso. Ama ye mama wo ma Fiifi. I don't like the way I say. Meje adwuma na boss no. I'm feeling bad. Sophie.
Yes.
You are into producing as well.
Yes.
I mean, name's we are director.
Yes.
For a lot of, and maybe what time I Ukraine. Yeah. Since when?
Lego no me question directing. Even though I'm here acting or hono. Me major in.
They will bet you to be able to me pay
Okay.
Yeah, even though we major or hang.
Oh, they very. Very nice. Even though me major in like directing, directing for the stage. And
what was it?
Yes, just another bit. Directing for the stage. And I me few hono. Maybe yeah, stage productions we bring me. Oh, no. Maybe any answer.
Yes, you. Nam kasa yeshe. Kafra my dream ba so say dey situation. But they do don ba.
I'm no oil no my answer that.
But me too.
Yeah, and
you mastered in directing.
Yes, in directing. I will go. And then when you me I do my you two kwan kakra call Obroni Krom ho no so no. And you acquire film making courses. Kakra wo Howard and random college. America ho no kakra. Into putting those knowledge together no.
Yeah.
And you dey back and so you best start here. Near market ticketing on our own. Ka by day. Wo frɛ na yakoya ma na wonso aye we kaka dey go just to tell people so you're able to do ABCD and then if people like your work and then it tends to get people to support you.
Because I don't say oh got na America.
Yes.
For some time now you who Ghana be
me America could be almost 10 years over America. And I me buy Ghana for a while but then see I know I send akoniaba America back and forth kasa.
Ada wana obano.
Yes, wana obano. Ani.
When you bring away na Ghana ni.
Me onye bonifita oye African American.
African American koko.
Tuntum. Yes.
Wow.
Tuntum, yes.
Into bana wo kanu nyina otraso no ma me ho.
Yes, no ma me ho. Yes.
10 years no na buy na wo san ko.
Yes, na say dey abeya akwa
But we've come to stay.
Yes. Come to stay.
Corona times and our.
Corona moha.
And now your videos be no.
Yes. Corona maybe it's Corona education videos ni be myths about Corona like and some can for Corona when you know Corona idea no but a bit of news like file programs on it just like
now na bontin na kasabi na to on sa na sa wo
Yes, it can be. And it was one of the times that educating people on this Corona thing because almost sharing.
Of course.
Omoni DH. And just be say ban yaka someone yet. Almost 30. Yes, no like okay fine, I have to do something to push this whole agenda about say we all have to stay safe and do whatever that we need to do.
That's right. I would say you try vegetables, so you see you try to bites size. Several days what you try we. Yeah, so you have.
I have.
All right. We still no say emu na dry.
Emu dry fine, but tomatoes no go.
Tomatoes no come. Okay. And toast no bem. Fiifi abejo wa dey febu. Ne hu say dey open. Aye. Bem apa because stew idiot. I dey out him say 10 years experience. Into no. When you hear that. No connection more.
If I'm at the work and I will make
Still now come a Fiifi. Baby a bit to nebo yefu into any say. I'm alone Jano Crasso. Fee. To see I don't know here.
Cecilia me I'm like creating content for digital media. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, like so me as I direct videos. Where you have and I mean half. Yes.
And I'm the other one. I mean, maybe more.
Thank you very much.
Yes. In 2 years, digital content for video,
for social media, platforms. Any idea? Yes. Basically, that's what I do.
Our company, and I work with the company.
I used to work with the company, Paul's Ghana.
Paul's Ghana.
Yes. I was the director for video there for almost 4 years.
Wow.
Yes. I used to work for them. Now, you see, my team is Fiifi Coleman Productions, we used to just be about stage productions, plays, television shows, but right now we have ventured into digital media productions for these companies and other people as well, just to do stuff.
Right now you have your own company.
I have my own company.
You run it yourself, and you work with other companies.
Yes, I work with other companies that sign up for videos from me, and then or sign other people to do videos for them. They come to me, we create the content together, direct, I edit, I put it together for them for the companies. Yes.
Wow. And you say I should show yourself Fiifi, you be who way? A few years and get say.
Yes.
Hey, Empress, me who ha? And I can mean say the begus no.
Or if you buy size,
buy sizes, I mean, I'm not going to go. As I'm not going. What's in every man? I mean, I'm going buy size quite and consider me here, my dear. Come. Anyway, so never say that. Fee was chewy and never be a do shay. Then the enquiry you. Aye. What's so cock no way to chat and who know their friend.
Yes.
She been where we didn't near ye.
Yes,
into body account near Cocoa. What I say, Muchi and Sana, and Munchapana, what is salt to go first?
If I saw to go cry,
oh, your taste in the beard. Okay, into your point.
Fine cabbage in Gumas.
Cabbage. Okay.
I like that the carrots to stay hard in it. I don't really mind the carrots being hard. The cabbage being soft.
Oh, okay.
But carrots in the yana you grow more.
Yeah. And I'm finding because where they were emerald or that one. So they will see so to Chinese. Bite size.
The bite size.
Yeah, I'm fire budgets no so be break a crabby.
You better my jana confirm kakra.
Yeah.
The best maka kana no na.
Yeah, be and in fact, to na me enjoy board no preko.
Thank you very much.
Me hu dey be ye. You okay?
You okay, papa?
Just we member na. Ana wo mu jire jade no a. Wo pese obehu fin. Wo pese obeya dia kura na ese bibia ka kire you will want to watch one at a time. Wow.
Metna my godmother be ho. Late na. One any year duane e feke na. O you I tell no di nu for any no. Say onumu you know the to wa. As na ye na mema phone na ye anything.
Okay.
As I come teach ye nyina je ho no ye duanti. Onumu you know the to no bia fa na ho no da beto back.
Because I knew about more. Or that kind of person.
I can't imagine.
Wow.
I'm a demanding a good enough for it because of the check.
Okay.
Na we no.
Gizzard no so Abba. Come.
Time Abba and Temper Council say a brown no ye no. So brown no as a action sent to be cool more.
Every moon
tem. So na one kasha wood ya what it.
Hey, Fiifi. And apart from Godman and I meant, how have you an entry? And I know Minana.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Minana.
And how have you?
Every girl.
Because experience also.
One, you know, much I try.
Wow, Fee. Echicha ekoko no. Na ere de eguye nsuo no na ene nako. Me pacho stew na na mani won ta be na nioma no ba. So me pese be emro because e be emro.
Aye sisi ano. Me ya boche mai. So ya maje na ba fe me.
Aba from kra.
Ya no fe mo kra de na ya boche enses engugusa ema
Okay. Okay. Wow. Nti ye ntwitwa we no ho. Na nam na e
someone be komo me ba mama boche me. Krebi
dey
fa we koma me.
Me fa we nko me ko baby a.
Baby a mate.
Nko baby a me si me ma we. Ediani e dey me ma. Ai.
E me. And na no we.
Say what to boy ediani die Fiifi man. We a gentleman free that you know, but I'm new to the cook kitchen. Minim so the cook kitchen. Ai. Ediani wa wo fie kwa me G2 say. Ubo tinko wo ka guy minim so ni mediane ye se wo ya ade papa wo ya ade so atena be 10 years na wo so ma me baba be no de na mo dia
ai we
wow bo say yes wow Fiifi mami there we go eish wow you try ko
yesu ni so dada me wa
enso no so dada ai so Fiifi then na wa message tete location any me you go set so as a producer when you were going as an artist you were also looking at the producer as a Juma.
Yes,
to say also a producer and what has been the difference.
I think I missed the discipline. Yes.
Discipline, was set so.
I was set to so.
Okay.
I was set to so any obuobi ayira mame ewo industry ni mo see because me no fi ase no.
Yeah.
Na social media ni ho. Na inti say you find say me ni obi ti say Auntie Jifa ko share was set
Auntie Jifa baba sorry.
Sorry. See ye chiche aduane na say welfare ba. Me expect say me ka chen say obeto me online mu joma menji me dey answer na wagye die.
O say seven Auntie Jifa mu ni obi Auntie.
And sample into una wo ye star set den so ba wo set so a omo ne ye hwe omo ne be ye die.
Yes. You're right. But no, it's not like that.
There be.
Even on your own set.
Even on my own set. And I'm very, very particular about a lot of things. Say, my coffee ba. Yes, let me make sure say, or your penny kwan or ba set in a swa. Me money time, me my name be trained.
Okay. Or my train giddy
there be. Me my name be time is set.
But once the location has some hazard that comes with
it. does. But we can say you're planning a year, planning a dream or we should be able to take care of those people.
Okay.
We should be able to take care of them.
Okay. Then a costume right now.
You see, the moody garnishing, we are there and woman being baby how I drink. You so I've been there. We can say I've been here packet and yes.
Into and also a come here canish, my low Jan Pow.
We can now.
Malone pa.
Yeah.
Okay. Auntie, your chicken sausage, you know.
Our chicken sausage is in there.
And also comb. Hey. We international cook. We authentic cook.
Me pedian me like
just authentic cook. Wow. See, mama was there for some sir. Opedian no ampo bien to me challenge you. Man salt crabby. In Chineno.
Chineno judge no.
Oh there, mama here.
Chineno just say ya
say ebinim.
Oh that ebinim.
Ebinim cry near.
Okay.
Nothing more. Nothing more because Mr. Medibi, hey, we still not come out. I was for 50 years, no. It's so unique. Said your bema pa, Timiania, but say no, be a name, kakra, and mattress, still not say, one year I was simple. 50 me that's what it. Now say, when no begum says, you guma a couple corner, na ye riana sa. McBrown's kitchen ye wie Fiifi the way you gumu de ane ma me na aseda ma me na aboafo ase me fa aseda ma wo mu Ooh, the red, gold, green, yeah, two afra.
Ghana fra.
Futumfra. Voila. High sense, Madam Wase. Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix, yeah, Madam Wase. Awake purified drinking water. Ensure a gem kwapa dear awake. Mepa chow royal aroma fortified rice. And this you be kwa kasa. Sa and I made that Borges olive oil. Only the stew owum ojinam Borges olive oil. Olive oil so some concrete team. Yeda na se. Yeda oba de ase. Enu bi na mi be die amna ye kamai. Me da launcher se for my kitchen yi launcher kitchen. Royal kitchen where official Ghana and chance na he. Anu aduane akono yi. Sa ena me da delay mackerel, delay sardine, any delay spaghetti ase. Ebusia metwa me ho aba. Na ye de addition time abremo. Ba fi yemfa ye yi ni mu ye kokko ni mu. Yemfa kokko ni mu.
Ya wo ho dada.
Ya ro dada. Ya ro bibia ho asa na eba ha. Nti ye de kokko no egu nsuom. Odi gumi na ye twa ye ho aba hwe sade ye twitwa no kama. A ye noa ene ne hunu no abom. Yes. Fifi when it ji aduane ho. Nti tesa we master. Ebusa mi entwa ho mra. Akono. McBrown's kitchen. Aduane pa. Ede. You're used to high sensitive, you know. Onim say aye papa. I need a hot clear. It is all baby for hotels, schools, and a BBR. High sense or TV size baby. Say footballer, you person feel is a stadium war. And a senior, you person feel is a wish movie. High sense person show programs in now TV papa paso. Say dear High sense laser TV. Obi baby say laser no cry daddy. High sense laser TV. Aye classic. Pictures near pure. Me just say any clear. Okasan Hoswa. Obejoso. High sense laser TV. You 80-inch. Akopem 150-inch. About down say bagaya. Fe. Won't show high sense TV manin say weni. Dear boy, a 100-inch. Pictures no see a 4K resolution. And so too, a real bow. High sense laser TV. And he say, come on. Wobenye biato high sense showrooms and what Ghana fanenyi nemu. High sense everyday prices for everyday people.
2351 251.
My husband deserves the best jollof. Yay! And so do my kids. Not necessary, dear. Because for the first time in Ghana, we have the new Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. This has all the pepper, onion, thyme, curry powder, ginger, garlic, and tomatoes I need to cook my tasty jollof with no stress at all. All I do is pour my oil, add Tasty Tom Jollof Mix, fry for 4 minutes, and add water, some cube and salt, and finally rice. And my tasty jollof is ready in only 45 minutes.
So tasty.
New Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. Remember to wash your hands regularly. Stay home and eat healthy.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Hey! Aday na ubuafusa.
What catch me say? Me royal aroma emono. Iron zinc womu.
And a vitamin B3, B6, B9, and B12.
Me na for say enya no kere. Et is said dada no. And a taste not to said dada no pepe.
Wey yes strong kon. Royal aroma emofo from abanu krania ni bi to say iron, vitamin B3, B6, B9, B12, and a zinc. So ro emono predodo sen kra na wono a emu aduane nro no emfiri mu. Yeah! Emu yedru. O the bag no ko hene.
Dabi metumi amaso. Me de ko twa me na fofo.
New Royal Aroma Fortified Rice. Eye mawu ene wo busia. FDA agi ejwadie nkratoa atum.
Borges Extra Virgin Olive Oil, best for salad dressing. A little of Borges Classic Olive Oil will make delicious meals. Borges with garlic, excellent for your grills. Make your meals with Borges, always. Borges Olive Oil.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by FDA.
Wait. I'm supposed to say action first. I said wait.
Let's go again. Spaghetti. Delay.
No, cat. That's not it. Won't you talk?
Delay spaghetti is.
Cat. Do you think we are here to joke? You have eaten all the spaghetti. You have delayed the shoot. Eat the food and say the slogan. And action.
Delay spaghetti. Made a sipebre.
Boss, I beg. I'll be deadline.
You've got to be kidding me.
Sorry.
FDA ahwehwɛ saa edwadie nkratoɔ yi mu agye ato mu sɛ ɛyɛ.
McBrown's Kitchen, Adriani Petto.
McBrown's Kitchen abusuafo aduane pa ede yeda se se wa twen yen ama ye twen ho aba abra edition time ye bebie aduane ne so akere wo na ho na kono ne fe enu nti ye bekenya wo ama wa ye bi wo fie enu nti ne ye kai na mo a ye bo aduane pa ho dawro but sabre dia ohene buy me fee na me na maboafo ase high sense tasty tom launcher awake purified drinking water royal aroma fortified rice and a Borges delay and sana royal kitchen way niema nyina ya wodia ensu Africa sapreko
That's it.
chance a set
They didn't need any be.
set
But that's
ane
what sort of me.
eni na wo ho no intina no wodia if royal kitchen way for her royal fortified rice and only royal aroma me do want to wear royal. Mama royal drinks, royal kitchen set, and a royal rice, royal aroma fortified rice. Royal. Sa and a memo tasty tom, enriched tomato mix, and a tasty tom jollof mix. Mama delay mackerel, delay sardine, delay spaghetti, and son mama Borges ni mama Borges kasiapa ane. And son high sense. Rice cooker.
That's
Cause DJ my num near fanny deep. Yeah, they are fun never be didn't you know. Other bra.
People chair.
I am dear. Right. Masabra. And the Sawu need you. I am Bola. Say I call ye baby you. Madam. Uno ami asasano. And you might invite to about me asasano. Mama any the bra. Fakunyan baba transit. Faba transit. Good. I will see a 4 year baby Didi at the same time near fee. Yet the summer hoy and so winning dada. But yet in Sierra San from a brave servier who ye mompay.
what?
Ubebo. Bo.
Already, that was to say, I started, you didn't start. Some of the very young cream, they did, but they won't buy mine. Oh, and your major one of couldn't buy.
Amen. Oko faster than Black Sheriff. They say the empire in Yangon Carnavati by the Bachelor. Yama Biedi. Fiifi, wow, be audience. Dear so. Wow. Fiifi Coleman.
Vegetables.
Wow.
Nice.
Wow, Ghana, Diania Kono. Once you are part of your soul, so who you say, oh, Madam, already. Okay, Fiifi, yes, everyone. Wow, Fiifi, baby, I'm dying, never yes, best. At work because you be did. I, Fiifi, what dear and I fake. Ever kind, or your man, I be dear dancer. Didn't ye? I didn't ye. And Fafari needy. Oh, the ferry did the album, Rasso. And the uncle. Mama, into Fiifi.
Yes.
Someone on fire. Hey, come on.
Yes.
Hey, come on, papa. Wow. I was after your dinner, no. I won't say, hey, come on. Mama, I don't know who is that.
Who be there, papa?
Ada.
Be my pa no aduane say.
Ayo won. Ori o ti ha no oye. Ohun ya.
Me ho bibi e koso bia.
Ojo ni mu da.
That's it.
Oh, him my friend.
From Charlotte.
Charlotte.
Batwa.
Charlotte ya juma ben. No atre juma oye.
Batwa me juma Green Aroma restaurant. Ni amedia.
Awa yin.
Awa Abeka PMP.
Abeka PMP. Wow restaurant.
Batwa.
Your friend saying
Green Aroma.
Green
Aroma restaurant.
Green Aroma.
Batwa.
What the royal aroma here diane?
Batwa.
Fortified rice. Yeah, na customers and customers wey dey me bon pay. Won nyina mo ko. Me ya better man. Green Aroma or La Paz.
Batwa. Abeka PMP.
Abeka PMP.
Batwa.
We delivery.
Batwa ye bibia obi.
Panama tuja.
Batwa so we birthday party, we bibia o pese ye be bibi ma program bia we be. Number we be face here 0545 060650 and I say 0245 021990.
Okay. Abena kasa. Na brai. So ni no.
Batwa me nim pa.
Ebra. O so ni mo.
No, the park and one me mash me.
Oni mo pa. Bibi o ha o pese obi san. Anan kwanshense mo o pese o katre. Kasa.
Oye biane yo me so kasa ni. O si biane me ni hobby. Be say me say the restaurant bi o be bia na.
Ani o fi.
Ko de bia biane ne ye de de me nti ase.
Ani say de o si twetwa ne niam o ye ne niam.
Eye me humpo.
Fiifi, ye be say woni we de anena ye. Why you come we dey need to one we need to try ne bibia and results so kapa. O restaurant bi ana. Woni bi bi.
And I give you shows and couple plans in the home, and then the couple plans in the home. But say be a young party be near invited for me to be the meet my family in our when it does the restaurant to come over happy.
Wow. What do you need the papa? Ah, kono meat. Fee. Yen can say Ghana for. Platform we jina ho ma yen nyina. O ba so na we bi we said madam Abeka Abetom Green Aroma ya. You know it. You are a television person. You were in this job before I came. I'm not the one to tell you that. Yes. Please, is there anything I'll say about the room? It's wrong. My platform your quetch. Come on my way.
Like there's no project in the line right now. Now, the ending of the year, ending of the year, you be play our National Theatre.
Okay.
Miami play be your National Theatre. Now, and then a message say I don't forget, my share, no my boy me PMT and I also want to like out there say first na me year juma company be to me your mun come juma. To me you be there enka. But you see another year on Fiifi Coleman Productions is like a fully fledged video production company. I produce almost from documentaries to sitcoms to movies to TV series and then digital media works. Inti, well here you will be BM dear.
Yeah, your way.
Instagram now, Facebook, and any more near your home. Fiifi Coleman Productions, Fiifi Coleman, baby. I'll be for the third DM on my baby. Business, yeah. My sister.
Instagram, Fiifi Coleman. Facebook, here.
Fiifi Coleman Productions.
Fiifi Coleman Productions.
Yes.
Instagram, Fiifi Coleman.
Yes.
Yeah, we are. Fee, you better ask us about McBrown's. Celebrate your man or vegetable stew is on point.
That's it.
The beer system, come. You ready ice cream? But before you ready fun ice cream. My person him and never see any idea. Okay? So come and you iron grill pan from Royal Kitchen. That feast on him, where dear about boy, papa. That feast on him, and sana apple cider, and then you know, wow, and until that's a sell by what it. They ready for nice, what it. This is ready for nice. What is nice? Fun nice, so nice. Yeah, we didn't say it. Yeah. Fee, me a macho woman, no.
Sir.
Me a macho woman. Fun nice. So nice.
Me sure sir. Commercial no. E buy na nkofo be wa young woman.
Hey, Raya, they are near one. Seva, send you. Nengo. Now, baby, we're a few. Wow, so nice. Nice. Hey, you're at the apache so high, Jenny. Me say it to me. Debre manya.
Okay.
Sure. Manya, eh, Obi abenya kakra. Unim say they see the fan nice, I'm into Fiifi. So what thing say yaho? Yem fan to test ma to yede kwa.
Echi won mo.
Na ni guo. Na ne oh, wo de o atesa me no obeka ja. Atwa. Ha. Oh. Ya dim komo fa ho. Fiifi, ya ba po. O fili. One fan show. What show? Cause we fili bebe. Eda na say de akola no. Ya bi o bebe.
Ko is na do ma.
Uncle ya, Fiifi. And then you better kind of force it. High sense. No. Oh. Everyday prices for everyday people. High sense, yeah, that must say. Sana, awaken you, purified drinking water, yeah, that must say. Tasty Tom enriched tomato mix. Tasty Tom jollof mix. Meaning our market. Launcher, and I am a kitchen, I'm your Fiifi. A1. The whole Ghana kitchen be no FSMD. I will care more.
Okay.
Now, yeah, kitchen will care with the Nantan with in the house. When you have to some McBrown's. Debbie, a kakra, a kakra. I was your son. I made a royal aroma fortified rice. Say, gorgeous olive oil, delay mackerel, delay sardine, delay spaghetti. Made a royal kitchenware official Ghana say, and a fun ice. Yeah, that almost was say. Near the Bessie, you be share now, send me. Me do. I rather won't cry in you now, no my own quan. Fee, we patch your dinner catch again for bye, Anna.
Bye.
Also, then I'm bye. And you Mr. Demacana say, share McBrown's kitchen, our YouTube, and mammy, Sa Anna, and what Miss Me want me page on YouTube, and my nephew, Oima, and near me with the amount. Oh dear, what it? Oh dear, come on. And it's bye, said the Cabishan or Chesson, McBrown's kitchen, another moment, Miento. We need to imagine me, so we need to imagine me. Fiifi, fatebo na se. And now 150. Win him to. Adiane pedo. Green aroma. Siko. Fiifi dem tim pamno na o de metimi. Ene man won de osanka. Kosa adiane na we de na. Yo sha na chance na. Brim. Oh wako. Bye.
McBrown's kitchen. Adiane pedo. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, get my share. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.